The great longhouse stood proud. Its fires welcomed every soul. And for the first time in many winters, our people celebrated not a victory in battle, but home. The tables filled with bread and meat, laughter echoed through the night. Children danced beside the fire, every face was shining bright.
Songs were carried by the north wind, old tales warmed each waiting heart.
For the first time in many winters, peace had found our home at last. Raise your cups, raise your voices.
Together we are home.
Hand in hand, heart by heart.
Together we stand strong.
Every child, every soul.
Every fire lights the night.
Hope, trust and faith guide our clan through every storm. Painted fields with harvest, boats returned with nets so full.
Every craftsman shaped tomorrow, every promise made us whole.
No one walked this path alone now, every burden we would share.
Side by side we built our future,
knowing every soul was there. Raise your cups, raise your voices. Through every storm. Wedding songs and newborn laughter echoed through the great longhouse. Gray-haired warriors shared their stories, young ones dreamed of distant coasts.
Every season made us stronger, every sunrise brought new light. Home was more than wood and timber, home was every soul in sight.
Many winters came and left us, still our fire burned the same.
Every stranger found a family, every child had learned our name.
Every heart became one heartbeat,
every voice became one song.
Together we had built a future where every soul belonged. Raise your cups, raise your voices.
Together we are home.
Hand in hand, heart by heart.
Together we stand strong.
Every child, every soul.
Every fire lights the night.
Hope, trust and faith guide our clan through every storm. Far beyond the northern mountains, another fire had already begun to burn.